Relax. What are you worried about? Your ex? Valerie, ito yung huwag mong kakalimutan. You're with Miguelito Guerrero now. You're safe with me, okay? Don't worry.
Mukhang nananadya pa tong gagong to, ah.
Sa tingin ko, boss, lumipat na tayo. Babadripping ka na naman yan eh.
Sira ulo ka ba? Hindi ako lilipat. Hindi ako magpapatalo sa gagong yan. Si Rocky Boy, hindi yan tumitiklop. Ano ba nangyari sa utak mo?
Alam ko, boss, bundragong ka nga pala. Pinagseselos ka yata eh.
Malamang.
Hey, don't worry about it. You told me to enjoy tonight, right?
I can't help it. He's such a freak. He would force me to do things that I didn't want to be doing.
Meron talaga ang mga lalaki na hindi pinagpala, Valerie. They always have to force themselves. You don't have to worry. I won't let that happen again.
How cute. Woo! Didn't expect to see you both here.
Just accept it already. She dumped you for me. At tinapon ka niya sa basurahan na parang wala kang kwenta, Rocky Boy. Just take it like a man.
Ikaw, sinulot mo siya. Ha? Diyan ka magaling, di ba? And you! You cheated on me! Ano mo yan?
Hey!
Bastos ka!
Don't ruin our night, Rocky Boy.
Ay,
Unless you want me to ruin yours.
I'm going to the ladies' room.
I'll go with you. Akala ko ba okay na tayo? Ha? Akala ko ba patas na tayo pagkatapos ng party ko? What the hell is this, Rocky Boy? Isa pa. Bakit ba baliw na baliw ka kay Andre? Oh. Let me take a wild guess, Rocky Boy. Wala kang mahanap na papatol sa'yo, no?
salamat ka. Di pa ako lasing. Good to see you, Miguelito.